Hello, welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. Today I have a haul to show you all. So starting off right away, I got 2 packs of these wooden craft cubes from the Dollar Tree. You get 36 little cubes in each pack, so that is pretty cool. I've never seen Dollar Tree have these before, and I just wanted to show you exactly what one cube looks like up close. So there you have it. Pretty cool. Next up, I did get some Christmas items. I got this pack of 2 stencils. It says Season's Greetings, and then on the back you do have a few different shapes for Christmas. I also got this stencil. It comes with one. It says a whole bunch of different words like love, grateful, gratitude, believe, faith, and even more. And it shows you some different things, some projects that you can do with it on the back. So I'm just going to open it real quick to show you what it looks like. It is a very flimsy stencil, but I still think it's going to be pretty cool. So that is what it looks like. Kind of hard to read it, I know, I'm sorry. But at least this way you can get an idea of what is inside of the package, even more. Next up, I had to get one of the rub-on transfers. This is a new item in Dollar Tree's new craft aisle. If you want to see more of a detailed video on what they have in their craft aisle, I will link that above of when I just went to the Dollar Tree. I also found something with the red truck on it, which I always love. This is this little cute bag which you can color, or it's really cute for a kid or even yourself, but I think that I can cut that image out and use it for something else. That is the plan anyway. I just love that red truck, or whatever color you color it. Super cute. And then I got some of this glue tape, also from the new craft section. You get 2 of these, and it has over 9 feet of this glue tape. Never used this before, obviously, but super excited to do so. I got this pack of galvanized letters, or words, excuse me. So you get believe, peace, and joy. This is their Christmas pack. These are so awesome. I love the ones from Thanksgiving, and these are so useful all year round. I got these Chalkboard Tag with clothespins on the back of them. Super cool. I'm excited to use this possibly during Christmas time. Oh my goodness, I found the truck again. And yeah, one of the trees fell off of there, but easily fixed. You could use this all year round. You have the truck, which could be put on so many different things. I just think this is a great deal and so useful. And this year I got 3 of their white Christmas trees. I've never bought these before, but last year I saw Bargain Bethany use the other Christmas tree that they have, normal colored one, and made a bigger tree with a few packs of these. And so I'm going to try to do that this year with a white Christmas tree. Then over in the fun find section, I found a fun find. Yes, I said it. Okay, so I found this adorable pin. They had a couple different ones. This one is pink on the top, and the other one I think was blue on the top and had 3 other colors, but so pretty. I love having these. So this is the end of my haul. Dollar Tree right now seriously is doing such a fantastic job with all of their amazing new items and new aisles. Oh my goodness. But anywho, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. Really does mean so much. It helps my channel to grow. And if you would like to see more videos like this from me and hauls, and maybe even a recipe that I will link up at the top right hand corner of your screen, shameless plug right there. Anywho, if you want to click that notification bell, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. With that being said, until next time, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY. Bye-bye!